the first time in a long while, we have a really quiet week ahead with mainly dry conditions. Of course, there will be the chance for a little pocket of snow or freezing rain here and there. But we don't have any huge systems coming by, no huge temperature swings either, and overall it will be warmer than it's been recently. It will be breezy at times, especially tomorrow, with some colder wind chills here and there and some chilly mornings too. But nothing that is all that far off of average one way or the other. Not super warm, not super cold, just kind of Goldilocks there hanging out in the middle. We're not going to see a lot of sunshine. It will be mainly cloudy for most days, but a few peaks here and there are possible. Current temperatures range from 25 on the cold side in Coldwater to 32 in Hastings to 34 in South Haven. More of us now are starting to fall into the 20s, but it is so far dry, and this little area of light rain and freezing rain out in Lake Michigan, that's headed our direction, but there's very little moisture associated with anything below cloud level, so the chance of getting any pockets of rain or freezing rain overnight is fairly low, but not totally non-zero because this warm front lifts in. We can see what's happening back to the west, a little bit of rain and freezing rain in Wisconsin, and as this front moves through into areas especially north and east of Grand Rapids, right around midnight or so, that's when we could see a pocket of freezing rain. Otherwise, we are on the cold side of this boundary, lots of temperatures in the 20s and 30s, and then back behind the front, it is still 73 degrees right now in Kansas City. So there's a lot of power with this front. It is going to slide through. We're not going to be anywhere close to 73, but we will have some warmer conditions coming up than we've had recently. Temperatures will stay in the upper 20s and low 30s through around midnight, and then as that warm front moves through, we're going to see temperatures steadily rising into the early morning. Probably by 11 a.m. or noon is when we'll hit our high temperature in the middle to upper 30s, and then our temperatures will slowly start to fall behind that cold front as the wind picks up as well. Wind will be especially gusty for the second half of the afternoon tomorrow, gusts anywhere from 25 to 30 miles an hour, and that is going to make it feel colder. So although we're hitting the upper 30s tomorrow, it is going to be breezy enough to pull those feels like temperatures down, probably by about 10 degrees, maybe a little bit colder than that. So you'll still need your winter accessories, even though actual temperatures will be in the 30s. Behind this cold front Wednesday, there is some cooler air, 29 degrees, and then into the second half of the week, we'll have some cold mornings. Quiet though. High pressure hanging out in our vicinity the next couple of days will keep any systems away. And then this one system coming out of the Rockies should move to our southwest. So likely we will end up staying dry at least through Friday. The one question mark is next weekend. Some of the models are showing a heftier system moving through. Some are not. So for now, we're going to keep that dry, but we'll have to watch and see how things evolve with the positioning of that low, which could make a difference in our forecast here in West Michigan.